All right, recording there. Recording the sewer line here at 2506 Northeast 168th. Date is February 25th, 2021. Making this recording from the basement clean out here of the home. What we're looking at there is the Seattle City main. Coming back from this point, not Seattle City, excuse me, what am I talking about? Lake Forest Park. So it looks like we're in the Lake Forest Park main down there. Whatever it is, we're joining a much larger common line. And I know in Lake Forest Park, well, I'm about also 90% sure here, that we have only responsibility to the property line as the homeowner. So I'm going to come back from this point. I'm going to get a look at this sewer line. I believe we're in 6-inch concrete now, coming back towards the home. So 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Concrete pipe appears to be intact, in decent shape. We've got tiny little pieces of root you see there on the right side of the screen coming through the seams of the pipes. It looks like it may have been cleaned recently. And at this spot we are going from 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. See a small crack in the bottom of the pipe there. 6-inch diameter concrete pipe back into 4-inch diameter here. I'm going to go double check, see if I can't locate this line and find exactly where we're at on the property real quick here. Pausing the video. All right, here we got that located. That is indeed at the property line. So I'm going to double check when I get back out in the truck, but I believe, and I'm fairly certain here, that responsibility for the Lake Forest Park homeowner ends at their property line, and then the city of Lake Forest Park takes over responsibility of maintenance, repair, and replacement of the line. So I'm going to come back from this point. This, from what I understand now, is the responsibility of the homeowner. Everything back from this point. So I zeroed out the footage. This is now 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. It's pretty well worn. Very aggregate and rough along the bottom. Will start to catch sewage and cause problems, eventually wear away and collapse. But as of now, we are intact. The perfect time to install a liner. Right there, we have a little break in the bottom of the pipe. And there we're going back into cast iron. So this first initial section just outside of the foundation of the home, where it goes from cast iron to concrete, which is a very common spot of issues for a sewer, is broken. So we're going to go locate this spot and see what we got here. Pausing the video. Okay, we got that spot located in kind of a lousy spot out right at the rockery outside. So my idea for this line would be to dig a hole down out near the property line and then install a liner from that point, pulling back up into that cast iron to eliminate that broken section. It's all cast iron from here. End of the video.